Hello, my name is Jake, your Pfannenberg signaling specialist. Today we're going to be talking about your Patchel series sounder that you just purchased. So you get these in your individual box. They come and they're pretty simple here. So you will get your manual coming in various different languages, and then you have your actual device. So you'll take out your cardboard here, and then you've got your PA10 is what I have right here. These come standard with the top ready to come right off of it. So you could set that to the side, and inside you will get your rubber grommets. This is used for your conduit wire knockouts. So you have various choices with the Patchel series. You have 2 conduit knockouts on the top, 1 on this side, 1 on the back side, and 2 on the bottom. You also have a choice to do a conduit knockout through the back of the unit as well. That comes standard on all of the Patchel series. When you are mounting these, you have the option to choose from 2 of the mounting holes on the side, or you can also do a surface mount with the conduit in the back. With these units, these are all used with the board being at the bottom where you put your wires into. This makes it very simple when you're installing this product, where you can install the back base on a wall and then take your front sounding units and place them right in, so it's very easy to use. These come with captive screws. As you can see here, they are already inside. They are 3/8 turn, so all you have to do is line this up, slide it on here, and then turn your screws, and it is ready to go. Stay tuned for future videos as we talk more about our Patchel series sounders. Thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon.